Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Fumike here. So we have a good news today. I got in for the YouTube Black wellness dinner night or dinner evening, yes. And another news, I got a package from YouTube. Actually, this is my first package from YouTube ever. So yay. So see what we got, look what we got. Yeah, so I'll be unboxing with you guys. It's a bit heavy, so I need to drop it. Yeah, sorry. So when I got it 2 days ago, I was just like, when I checked the stuff since, I was like, YouTube, what do you guys want us to do with this? So we have this card. Hey there, we are super excited to see you and all the other, and also what we have in the kit is written there. So yeah, so guys, this is what I got. Initially when I saw from this side before opening it, I thought I was seeing chocolate. But then we have beads in here, so we have different colors, like lots of beads, lots and lots of beads. So we have a lot of beading equipment here. We have this, we have 2 pliers inside. Yeah, so we have this color, we have the white color of beads, we have this multicolored beads. We have, I think, 2 packs of each. I have 7 packs of beads in all. Then I have this about 4 thereabouts. Then I have 2 pliers. Yeah, so yeah, then we have this 2, I think 2, okay, 3 pieces of this, 3 pieces of this. Yeah, and I think that's all in there. Basically there are 7 packs of bead and the other instruments or equipment, beading equipment I told you guys. Yes, so cheers to more. Yes, looking forward to more and more of this. Yeah, it feels so good that finally we're being recognized on YouTube, and I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you for supporting this girl. If not for you guys, if not for God and you guys, I really do not know. Yeah, I really do not know where the channel would be. But thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always sharing. Thank you for subscription. Thank you for those helpful, like, thoughtful words, or even comments. I see them in my DMs, I see them in my mails. Thank you guys. You guys keep me going. Thank you so much. I really love you. So tomorrow it's starting. YouTube Black Creators Week is starting this week. Yeah, this particular week. This video should go up today. Yeah, today is Monday. This is about 1 a.m. Monday 29th or thereabouts. Yeah, 29th or 30th of this month, November. So we're starting this today. Yes, so by 6 p.m. we'll be starting with the wellness and dinner evening. Yeah, so hopefully, I think I got a mail that I'll be receiving my food few hours before the event starts. So I'm looking forward to receiving that. I would also share that with you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you for everything you do for me and my channel. Thank you. God bless you all. Please do not stop supporting your girl. Like, please do not stop supporting us. The goal is to meet up to 10,000 subscribers before we clock 2 years on YouTube, which will be April 27th of 2022. I want us to clock 10,000 subscribers. So please guys, do well to share my videos, share my channel, share my video links out there. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content surrounding business and different tutorials and lifestyle. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if this resonates with you, kindly go ahead and subscribe to join the team today. So something just arrived from YouTube right now. Thank you so much, YouTube. Thank you. So we're having the YouTube Black Creators Week this weekend today by 6 p.m. We're having the wellness dinner. So we sent something earlier about 2 days ago and sent this today. Thank you, YouTube.